this here. I just want to know. Uh, I just want to show you why you need to use RAM.com as your credit card for this business for your startup right now, because there are a lot of features that mainly the people don't know about the credit card. But I want to show you why you have to use it. For example, if you use right now the credit card provided by Ramp, you can actually access to all these partner rewards up to $170,000 in savings for all these partners from AWS, Amazon Web Services, Slack, Rippling, all the things you need. You see here. Uh, Another amazing benefit for using Ramp credit cards is the 1.5% in cashback for all the purchases you make with the credit cards. This is amazing. This is another amazing way to save money annually. Uh, Another great use for this they call the accounting automation, because they they classify automatically everything in your books. So this order to close your books 5 days faster for all this. This is an amazing opportunity to actually help the accounting team inside your company, because they have integrations with QuickBooks, Oracle NetSuite, Zero, Sage Intacct. This is a very good way to save time as well. Another great feature they have, this one, they pay the invoice with AI or bill payments. They call they call this bill pay AI. For example, they provided you can actually save time as well paying with all this all these services. And my favorite feature here is this one. This is the procurement team, because they acquired Bayer some month ago. Right now, they have the ability to negotiate you SaaS contract with all these amazing vendors out there. They actually save money for all this. For example, you love to do SaaS contract with all these companies. They can help you to negotiate this contract and automatically save money with all this. For example, they put example here with Dropbox. They found, because they are using their own data with all of other clients, but they're using all data to analyze all this. They found with the client that they are use Dropbox business and pay annually for that particular service. They can save 4,345 dollars per year. And when you do this with all these contracts you have in places, you can actually save a lot of money for all this. Okay, so that's my top five features why you need to use um, credit card from Ramp to all your business or for your service, for your startup as well, for your company. Okay, thank you. Take care. Get in the link below if you want to use right now Ramp credit card. Thank you.